Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Shalom, Om Swastiastu.
Nama budaya dan salam kebajikan. I'm from Group 1 and I'm from XII-5.
Today we live in a world of go green, where small actions can make big impacts. That's why we make Trashly. Trashly is an AI integrated app where you or anyone else can use to identify trash types. Not only that, it can also make suggestions for you or anyone else about recycling, reducing, or upcycling trashes.
Trashly's target users are as follows. The first one, students and youth, to increase environmental awareness and creativity. The second, households, to help families reduce waste and recycle effectively. The third, environmental organizations, to use as an educational tool in campaigns. The fourth, general public, which is anyone who wants to contribute to a greener environment.
Now I'm going to explain about detailed features and functions. The first one is camera scan. Users can take a picture through camera or gallery of any trash item. The second one is AI trash analysis. Users machine learning how to classify the trash. The AI analyzes the image to recognize the type of trash, like plastic, glass, paper, and metal. The third one, idea generator, provides step-by-step ideas on how to repurpose the item. The fourth one is save and share. Users can save their scanned item and chosen ideas in their library. And the last one is eco points. Users earn points from each scanned and recycled item. Points can be redeemed for rewards or recognition in the app.
Now what we're going to discuss next is the procedure of creating Trashly. The first thing that we did was planning and design, and then choose the development platform, which is Lovable, and then integrate camera feature, develop AI model, and build suggestion engine. And then what we did was testing and refinement. The last thing we did was publish and maintain.
The next thing that we're going to discuss is Trashly's workflow. Overall, we did the whole thing around August until September of 2025. But anyways, this is Trashly's workflow. The first thing we did was planning and design, which we did around 25th to 28th of August. The next thing is choose development platform, which we did around 29th to 30th of August. And then the third one is integrate camera feature and develop AI model, which we did at 31st of August until 5th of September. And then we did a build suggestion engine, which we did around 6th to 7th of September. And then we did testing and some refinements at 8th to 9th of September. And then the last thing is publish and maintain, which we did at 10th of September. Now, what we have here are the visualizations of our app, Trashly. The first and second picture describes how we can use Trashly as an identifier for trashes, whether trash is organic, inorganic, or hazardous. What you can do is just put the trash on the camera frame and then click the camera, and the app will automatically identify what type of trash is the trash that you've just pictured. Now, the third picture describes how much impact you have done through our app, Trashly. Now, we're going to get into it a bit later. Now, as you can see in the middle picture right here, Trashly doesn't only identify items for you, but Trashly also gives you ideas on how to reuse your trashes. Like right here, we have a DIY bird feeder. Remember the impact meter that I've just showed you earlier? Now, after the impact meter achieved a certain amount of goal, the app will later give you a certain gift that you can use within the app. So it's not only educational, but it's also fun. And here, as you can see, these are our documentation when we were presenting our app in class at 11th of September 2025. Now, because we have already passed all of those steps, I am now going to show you how you can actually use Trashly. First, what I want y'all to do is you open your browser. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox, it could be anything. And then type our app, trashly.lovable.app. Once you type it up, what's going to appear on your screen is a green themed website. Now, how can you actually know if it's made by us, Group 2, XII-5? You can actually do that by clicking the Trashly title, and it's going to end a pop-up of who's the creator. If the creator is actually us, Group 2 from XII-5, then you're in the correct website. Even though Trashly is available for everyone, I highly recommend you to have an account. So sign up or log in if you already have one, because Trashly gives you more available fun features that you can enjoy. Once you're logged in, you can even save your password here. You have all of our features accessed. To double check, it's still Group 2 XII-5's website. By the way, don't forget to visit our social media. Let's start by identifying this milk carton. Wait for some seconds and here's the results. As you can see, the app recognizes it as a non-organic waste, and it also gives you a way or steps on how to dispose it, and also steps on how to recycle it. Now, you want to see your stats? Come on! Here it is, the feature you'll get if you sign up. You can customize your profile, see your impact progress, which is the status on how much trashes you've identified through this app, and other activities you've done. And then there's rewards. I already got this first scan reward, next will be the 10th scan reward, and of course activity history. Let's say you want to share what you've identified, which is this unused cable. All you need to do is just wait for the results, click share, and choose which contacts or groups you want to share. Yes, it's that easy. Plus, you'll get an update on your impact status.